Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 11 septembre. Si vous étiez absent, je vais vous expliquer exactement ce que nous avons fait aujourd'hui. En anglais. If you were absent, I'm going to explain to you what we did today in periods 4th, 6th, and 7th. So, 4th period was a little bit behind. So what I did was I gave everyone the sentence starter list in 4th period as they were coming into class. And we glued that onto page 18. Now, this sentence starter list is on my webpage under French 2 Pre-AP Notes and Activities. If you scroll down, it's under New Stuff. Okay, so we got that at the very beginning of class. And then we did our usual warm-up. And our warm-up had to do with the sentence starters. So it was the little warm-up that I displayed on the board in the projector. All right, so that was the warm-up. And if to locate that warm-up, again, you go to my webpage. And you go to the French 2 Pre-AP Notes and Activities, look under New Stuff, and you'll see warm-ups 9, 10 through 14. After that, we then reviewed our ER verbs and how to conjugate them, and then we just played a game of tic-tac-toe, and that was using our ER verbs. And in a minute, I'm going to show you what the tic-tac-toe game looked like. Just a second. Okay, so this was the tic-tac-toe game that we played, and it was just little squares that had little verbs. The verbs were at the top from your ER verb list, and they just had to choose a square and conjugate the verb in the present tense using the subject pronoun that was in the square. And then whoever had the most wins got a treat. So there's a front and a back to this, but this was not for a grade. So you're good. You don't have to worry about doing this. But I wanted to show you that that's what we did. So that's basically all we did in 4th, 6th, and 7th periods. Bon après-midi. Au revoir.